Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about another for loop, but in different way. We can actually declare array in another way, like this. And let's say I want to show 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here. So I will say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'll remove all of them. Now here you can see we can actually find length like before. The variable dot length, but I don't need length here because I will use here for each loop. So how we can actually use for each loop? We have to say here for, then first parenthesis, then body. So in the condition here we just have to say the data type at first. So the data type of our array is integer, right? So we have to say here int, and then any variable, let's say I, then we have to give space, then colon, and then here we just have to say number. So we don't need to find out length here. Okay, now we will say here print out ln. I will use here print so that I can actually print it in the same line, and I will use \t for the tab, plus I will say I. For each loop will automatically we don't have to give here index number and the starting point and the condition also, like to find out the length like other for loop. If I go here you can see the for loop, so I will copy it. Wait, so here I'm going to comment out it, control plus slash. All right, so here you can see we have to initialize the index value also, right? Then we have to find the length also, then we have to increment it. But in for each we don't have to do it, we just have to initialize the variable with data type, and it automatically will actually take the length. Okay, and it will run for loop until the length will complete. Okay, the condition is fulfilled. So here you can see int I, then we have to use colon only, and then the variable name, the array name, okay, number. And then so this is the current value of index, right? Here in this variable actually we will store all the index number. Okay, so we will actually print I, right? Not number, I here. So we just have to print I here. That's it. If I run the code, it will show me 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Run Java. Here is the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I hope you understand the difference between regular for loop and for each loop. So this is called for each loop. For each loop. Alright, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.